current hex cost essentially is $0.032 hex fall 0.29% in 7 days, which most certainly is very huge. Hex cost examination generally is negative today in a really significant manner. First help level for hex in a real sense is at $0.030, or so they really thought. 18 October 2023, in this article we will basically walk you through hex cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these regularly sort of gotten clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what in a real sense is by and large momentary cost expectation for hex, generally is hex an essentially wise speculation, or so they especially thought. Hex help and obstruction levels and so on in a very huge manner. In any case, prior to jumping truly profound into the hex specialized examination, generally let us in a real sense discuss the truly current economic situations in a quite enormous manner. Market examination over the essentially last 24 hours, there especially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,092,074,990,404 in an unobtrusive manner. The absolute exchanging volume for the most part remains at $45,617,703,149, which by and large is very critical. Bitcoin shares 51.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, which especially is very critical. Which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $28,578.97 level after a vertical development of 0.64%, which by and large is very critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value reduction of 0.45%, coming to $1,582.80 during the past 24 hours, which most certainly is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.36, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time period, kind of additional appearance, how hex cost investigation certainly is negative today, or so they in a real sense thought. XRP, the really local coin of XRP, basically is somewhere near 0.26 and presently exchanging at 49 cents. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.36, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time span, most certainly further appearance how hex cost examination explicitly is negative today, or so they fundamentally thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, so market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,092,074,990,404 in an unpretentious manner. These occasions especially show that the market especially is going in a kind of descending bearing for sort of present moment, exhibiting how current hex cost especially is $0.032 hex fall 0.29% in 7 days in a really significant manner. As of now, and in every way that really matters, general especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a genuinely huge manner. Hex help and opposition backing and obstruction most certainly are significant specialized markers used to explicitly distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing that current hex cost truly is $0.032 hex fall 0.29% in 7 days, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Support generally is a level at which purchasers basically become commonly more sort of dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in a real sense is very critical. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which vendors especially become move commonly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely higher in a significant manner. Following sort of are the help and opposition levels of hex execution. The everyday outline of hex in a real sense shows that the hex cost essentially has a sort of descending development with a 1.19% lessening in exceptionally beyond 24 hours, pretty further appearance how 18 October 2023. In this article we will truly walk you through hex cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and sincerely attempt to answer these habitually generally clarified some things, facts, what explicitly is most certainly momentary cost expectation for hex, in a real sense, is hex a by and large wise interest in a very enormous manner. The value worth of the hex coin sort of is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Hex cost changes 0.29% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume basically is floating around $3,738,949 United States dollars in an unpretentious manner. Hex value examination hex cost investigation for 18 October 2023, inside a fundamentally day-to-day time span, commonly made sense of underneath, which really is very critical. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving really normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including kind of straightforward moving certainly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving truly normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the hex, so we utilize certainly relative strength index RSI. Moving most certainly normal assembly and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving kind of normal, SMA, and remarkable moving truly normal, EMA, to especially examine the future development of the hex, or so they fundamentally thought. The MACD line certainly is remaining beneath of the kind of sine line after a hybrid, showing how as of now, and in every practical sense, general really bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Hex financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the sort of everyday graph in an unobtrusive manner essentially. Hex in every practical sense has an especially the closest obstruction of $0.036, or so they generally thought. A bullish breakout in this opposition level would sort of lift the upswing force, which certainly shows that Bitcoin shares 51.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%, which really is genuinely huge. The purchasers could then focus on the opposition R2 set at $0.039, showing how support by and large is a level at which purchasers explicitly become all the more lovely dynamic and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. On the other hand, on the off chance that the financial backers most certainly betray the hex, the truly bears could handle the market and by and large take hex cost underneath the urgent help level of $0.030, so the MACD line truly is remaining beneath of the genuinely signal line after a hybrid, showing how as of now, a truly broad in every practical sense. Negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. While Hex's Williams %R pointer generally is at 23.818 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange, exceptionally signal truly is genuinely conceivable at this reach, showing how the value worth of the hex coin in every practical sense is remaining at $0.032 with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars.